Hey, what's up YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. We're about to run through the driving test. We're at a Broward County location. By now you guys should be able to recognize by the outside where we are. But anyway, we're gonna run through the test real quick. I'm not gonna take too much time. I just want to introduce my student and have her talk about her Instagram business. What is the name of your business, madam?
So the name of it is Anaya Jonique. It's a styling service as well as an outfit inspiration page. And we post outfit inspiration. We talk about mental health and we highlight up and coming Black creators. The styling service will consist of helping people discover their sense of fashion and just expressing themselves through clothing.
Okay, cool. And the YouTube page is coming, right?
Yes, that will be named Anaya Jonique, I believe, as well.
Okay, cool. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
You turn the steering wheel left away from the curve. You put the car in park, you pull up your brake, and you turn off the ignition.
Cool. Alright, so they're gonna ask you to do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. So they're gonna make sure that the brake lights are working, the turn signal lights are working, the horn's working, right? They won't take you out in the car if those things are not working. And by the way, they are having someone sit in the car with you. They're not getting in the car, right? Alright, so reverse from here. And we're gonna go to the left. I actually need a new gimbal. I need to buy one like today. Alright, stop about here. So as soon as your mirror gets to the end of the line, you turn in all the way right because you're going left. They're gonna say back out and go to the left. So look behind you and stop about here. Alright, put the car in drive. And we're gonna pull up and straighten up over here next to that orange cone. Alright, so make sure you're straight here, right? Because they're gonna tell you to stop and then reverse straight back. So make sure you look behind you and you just let it roll. If you're straight here when you stop, it will go straight back. It should go straight back. You don't have much of anything to do right here. Now you're gonna stop about here. They'll tell you when to stop. Alright, so put it in drive. Now we're gonna speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up. And stop. And again, they're gonna tell you when to stop. You feel me? Alright, so now we're gonna go around the corner. Make a left. Take your time. And they're probably gonna make you stop as soon as you go around this corner. Okay, stop here. And then they'll say the next thing that we're gonna do is park in between those cones. So we're gonna go ahead and go down, stay close to your right side because the next thing they're gonna have you do is park. So you're gonna go down, make sure you're signaling. Again, if you don't signal, you're gonna lose 4 points for each one. So you come up here and you line up the mirror like that and then turn all the way to the left and roll. And when you get into the middle of the space, then you're going to straighten up, straighten the wheel and pull straight in. And you're going to go up a little bit more and stop about here. Stop before you hit the curb, obviously. Reverse straight back and then we're gonna go to the left. Alright, all the way to the right because you're gonna back up until your mirror is past the middle. When your mirror is past the middle, like that, then you're going to stop and pull up next to the line on the right side because you're going to do your 3-point turn. So pull close to the right side because they're going to tell you somewhere around here to stop and do your 3-point turn. So the 3-point turn is between the white line here and the curb. Alright, so go ahead, turn all the way to the left. Alright, stop before you hit the curb, put the car back in reverse. All the way right. look over your left shoulder and reverse, and you're gonna stop as soon as your mirror is past the middle again. See that? Alright, put the car back in drive. And we're gonna go to the stop sign and make a left turn. So signal left. Again, make sure you signal, because those 4 points will add up. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your left. Make sure you go into your right lane here and make a left. And this time we're gonna go to the second left turn. So they'll tell you either the first one or the second one, whichever one they tell you to turn at, that's where you go. So go to the second turn, make a left. Alright, pull forward, make sure you're in your right lane, and they'll stop you here, somewhere along here, and give you your paper that says you pass with 100. Alright, so pull straight in again. Stop completely here though, and then pull straight in. They probably won't make you park here at the end of the test. I'm just doing that. Pull up and stop. Alright, cool. So, put in park. How do you think you did?
I think I did good.
You did good? Yeah, you did great actually. Alright, so yeah, you see she did what she's supposed to. She's been practicing, she's comfortable now, so she'll pass. She'll probably get 100 unless she panicked, which she won't. Alright, so go ahead, tell them the name of your company again.
My name is Anaya, and the company's name is Anaya Jonique. It's on Instagram at Anaya Jonique.
Alright, cool. Alright, check her out. And thank you for watching this video. Please like it, share it, tell everybody about the channel if you haven't. Subscribe. I really don't understand why, but please do me the favor and subscribe. And thank you for watching once more, and I'll see you in the next video.